Hi, welcome to my channel Let It Simmer, and today let us make some simple Maharashtrian curry. Here I have yogurt or dahi, which is a little sour. To that I am adding about 2 tablespoons of gram flour, besan, a little bit of water. We'll adjust the water consistency later or as we cook. To this I'll add sugar, little bit, salt, and whisk it up. There. Here I have some ghee heating. To that I will add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them crackle, and I'll continue whisking here. Started crackling. Now I will add some fenugreek seeds, methi dana. Methi dana gives a very nice flavor to the curry. To that I'll add some curry leaves, fresh chillies. I was lucky to get 2 colors, and a little bit of asafoetida. That should be enough. Mix it up. Lovely. And now we'll add the yogurt mixture. We'll add some more water. The consistency is however you like it, and it also depends how you're going to have it. At times we love to have it as a soup. Just a bowl full of curry. Adding turmeric or haldi is optional. This is otherwise good to go. This will thicken as it cooks, so make sure you keep stirring often. I have some fresh coriander here. I will add some now and some I'll add later, because as the coriander cooks it gives a nice flavor again. Our curry has been simmering. Lovely. I think this is a good enough consistency. I'll turn off the heat and give it one last stir. Make sure that not much is sticking to the bottom or the sides. There. Pour the curry in a serving bowl all the way to the brim. Top it with fresh coriander. There. Look at this. Lovely. Do try. If you like it, subscribe and share Let It Simmer. Thank you.